Okay. I put this was the ticket when I got up from the Frankenstein, and I don't know what I was, 130, whatever. I came here, I played the Firecrackers, $1.76, but I cracked Ultra and I cracked the double. So let's see how we do. The numbers are pretty good so far, I gotta admit. So pretty nice numbers. Alright, let's see if we can get some nice. Alright. Oh, let me try and get a little further away so I can get a better view. Come on, fishies. Birdie. Okay, that was a $2 up. That's it. It's not doesn't both at the same time though. All right, $2 on that one. All right. Oh, 2 birds on both of them at the same time. Okay, that's good. Oh, another $3. Okay, yeah, not bad. Well, I am down 55, so I have to recoup 55. But I don't know. Am I going to recoup 55 on this? Ugh. I only have one more spin left on the bottom, so come on. Hit it. Oh, son of a bitch. Okay, the bottom is over. Ugh. All right. Ugh. All right, come on, bird. Why doesn't the bird go on the bottom too? It can do that. Alright. Well, $3. Alright. Come on. Oh. Okay, good. Come on. Oh, good. $5 up. That's it. Oh, I got a mini. $20. That's good. That's good. So 20, 40. Yeah, I think I made my 55 back. That's probably it though, but 20, 40, 60. Oh, I'm way over. Okay, that's good. Oh, one more. Come on. One more number. Come on. Oh, it's over. All right, let's see how I did. Oh, yeah. Okay, good. All right, $125. Okay, that's good. So I'm at 170 with original, with a, I originally put in 100. All right, that's it. I don't know why I'm playing anyway right now. Oh, did I get the extra spins just now? I did. Oh, that's good. I wish I got it with double up or even with the Ultra, but that's okay. All right, let's try to get some nice number. Oh, $3 too. All right, that's not bad. All right. I've been a little bit sick lately, so. Minor. Oh, minor's $40. Come on. Oh, another $2. All right, that's pretty good. Oh, come on. Oh, one more. Don't disappoint me. You disappointed me. All right. So that's like 40, 45, 50, $60, I want to say. Between 50 and 60. Well, I said between 50 and 60. It's $54. There you go. Hey, who says my math's not good? All right, 218. Well, there's really nothing else here, so unless they just naturally, randomly. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. Oh my God, I just got Ultra. Holy cannoli. Can you believe that? Wow. I was gonna stop. I'm glad I didn't stop now. Come on, big numbers, big numbers, big numbers. $1. All right, bigger than $1. Come on. All right, come on. Come on, birdie. Give us some good numbers. Oh. All right, $3. Oh, $6, $3. Okay, now that's good. But where's the Ultra Bird? Come on. There you go. Come on. Good, $3. That's it. Another 3. Okay, that's $2. Okay, that's good. All right. Hey, throw a minor in there. I'd be happy with that. Oh. All right. I only got one more to go. Come on. Another $2 on that. Another $4 on that. Okay. Oh, it's still going to be good. Oh, okay. Oh, one more. Another 3 on that. That's it? Okay. Okay, that's not bad. So, anyway, let me show where I am a little bit. I am at the Golden Nugget. This is the back. This is the smoking section. It could get really dark. Get really hot back here. I'm just gonna see if anything else might crack. All right. Oh, I'm at 192, so I better stop. Oh, 182. All right. Let's not push my luck. Oh my God, I got Ultra again. Holy shit. How many times have I freaking got to the bonus? Okay. All right, let's see. Wow, this was a long video. All right, well, I won 40 on the last Ultra. Oh, I just saw a mini pass by. All right, come on, birdies. Oh. it's over. All right. I think I got like 20 bucks, but so it brought me back up to at least my 200, right? $18? $19. So I'm up to 198. I don't think I want to go any further. Oh my God. Did I just crack all three of them? I just cracked all three of them. Oh shit. Wow. This machine's so hot. Holy friggin' cow. Can you believe that? I just cracked all of them. Wow. Okay. All right. Oh, they're low numbers. Look at that. Look how low my numbers are. Oh, $10 on that one up there. Wow. Did you see that? All right, $2. Come on. I need the bird. Ultra bird. Come on. Oh, on both of them. All right, $2. $3. Another 3. Okay. Let me try to get a little further back. Come on, bird. Another 2 on that one. Another 3 on that. Wow. Oh, $10 on that one too. Wow. $3 on that. Next. That's great. Oh. Oh, this one's over. I didn't realize that one was over already. Only the top one is still live. Oh, that one's over too. $4. Okay. $1 on that. So that's a 5. Okay. Oh, I still think this is going to be pretty good. About $80? $82. Wow, that's darn good. Look at that. I know we're not going to be able to break anything more. Try 264 a little bit. Alright. Definitely gonna stop. Alright. That's it. I am done. $230. All right. I'm not going to complain. That was pretty darn good. Considering, didn't I come in here with like, I don't know. I don't even have, oh. Was I down to, I had 100, I don't even know. I don't know. That was like too far. But I'm up to 230 now. Okay, that's good.